Alright. Let me turn on this headset. Hello everyone. Thank you for watching my video. This is now part, 8 of the SE30 reloaded board assembly. Let me get the word out to my viewers in just a moment. Right. So, we had a little bit of a yes, we're going live. All right, so let's see here. So in the last episode we left off with a SE30 board that did not post. No chime, no video. Yeah, let's go. Hey Thomas, thanks for joining. So I asked around in the Tinker Different community over at the Discord server, and Amiga Rochester. Ah, that's you, Thomas. Yeah, thanks for the great advice. We need to install the ferrite beads on the back side of the board. Without them, things won't work. So luckily, I still have the original board here. And from what I can see, we have a whole bunch of these ferrite beads. It's the L components. So we have 4 there, we have 4, 5 there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 15. It's a bit up there. Here are 3 more. That's what I see right now. So let's see if, yeah, just pluck and move. Yeah, so let's apply a little bit of hot air on these. I should get my fume extractor. Oh, sits on the floor here. Yeah, let's turn this on. Let's turn the hot air on. I don't think we need 450. Let's go to 350 degrees as usual. Like so. Let's bring the camera down so we can see the board as well. So yeah, let's do the usual. Have my tweezers ready. Yeah, this is the donor board. I've shown it earlier on. It's fairly naked now. So let's see how quickly we can get these components off here. There we go. 1. Yeah, it's a sad board, but you know, it helps another board get a new lease of life, lease on life. So I think it's a circle of life. Okay. I have a 350 degrees Celsius. Do you have a recommendation for a different temperature? Over here we go, L7, 17, yeah. Yeah, Mac 2s are fun to work on. Are they all original Mac 2s or Mac 2X and whatever else. Oops. There we go. Interesting. So there's some, I guess there's some adhesive. You can see there's a little, like a little bit of um, the board that comes off there. Go up a bit. Okay, let's go to 400 or 390. Yeah, 2SIs are fun. I used to have 4 2SIs. I got them cheap off eBay. Um, and I fixed all but one. But that final 2SI is now a donor board for this SC30. Yeah. Uh-oh, whoa! Look at that. The the um, the PCB itself is coming apart here. It's like bulging. Maybe I shouldn't put the hot air that close. There we go. L14. 15. Yeah, this PCB is very deteriorated. L15. All right. I think that's it. I don't see any other I don't see any other ferrite beads on here. By the way, this board still has plenty of useful little SMD components. I will not discard this. It's good to have, you know, the odd SMD resistor or capacitor for future projects. There's a couple of diodes down there. Lots of really nice little diodes. All right, let's put this aside again. So then we now need to put all these little ferrite beads in their rightful spots. So I see a bunch of them up here. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 for starters that I see. Probably more. Yep. Yes, thanks Thomas. That's my usual approach. Just bring my iron up. I can put it camera like this so you can see my tools over here. So yeah, this will be fun. It's kind of obnoxious. I think I'm gonna... Uh, yeah, never mind. Let's do it like this. So just so make sure that we get a nice bond. Let's clean up these pads a little bit. Maybe very random residue floating around at this point after all this work. Alright, that's a start. So yeah, let's get these little bad boys on here. Starting with L22. Let's turn on the iron. Are you betting now? Well, no pressure. I'm gonna do my best, but I don't want to make you lose money off hopeless bets. So yeah, let's tin one side, like so. So I'm just gonna go around and tin a bunch of these. Mm, all right. Let's start installing some uh, some beads. So let's see if I can do this smoothly. Oops. Seems to be on there. I'm gonna move the microscope a little bit to the side. Uh, Here, a couple more. Seems to be on there. Yeah, this is pretty tight. Maybe I need a smaller tip, but we'll see. It's a little bit crooked, but it's alright. I don't care. A J tip or a V tip. I don't know what the proper names for these are, but I have a bunch of tips sitting over there. didn't bond, really? You mean this one? Oh, look at that crap. Redo the left side. Like so. Oh, my picture is a little bit dark. So yeah, let me, I'm gonna switch out to a different tip. Let's just put this on over here. So Thomas, do you have a recommended tip that I should be using here? Just like this one, maybe? Let's try this one. If you don't... Not enough mass, okay. I had good luck with this one earlier. I'm gonna double check the joints from just now. That's okay, but more for SMD, okay. Um, I'm just checking with my loop the joints that we did just now. They look okay. We'll see. Okay, this is really annoying. I need to I think I need to remove the ROM sim and the sims. It's too annoying. All right, let's try this. Oh, yep. Nope, it's on there. Hmm. Anyway, There's not much leeway on this pad. Maybe I need to push it a little. Oh, too much. Ah. Okay, it's on there. Yeah, sorry about the mess. I wonder if mixing of the two different kinds of solder. There's a bunch of the original solder still on here. Maybe mixing this old stale solder with the new solder is causing this kind of um, jelly, like the it's feels like the solder gets a bit too viscous almost, but it's gonna be a pain to clean that up. Add flux. Ah, yeah, you're right. I should. I just I always try to avoid using flux just because it makes a mess, but yeah. Flux and hot air, yeah. I don't have the right type of, oh sorry. I don't have, yeah, so I don't have the like the sticky flux for that I use to be used with hot air. I only have this liquid flux. It's on there. It's on there. So I think these are on there all right. I'm not too happy with the first one in that row. It's a little bit too pushed to the side, but I think it's all right. Um, so let's take this one here. L17. Actually, I'm gonna tin a few of them. Oh, there's one more. Okay. Let's do L17. Flux. Yeah, I can imagine you do a lot of SMD work. That's, yeah, I can see that that's a big part of your job, Thomas. You got some gross stuff here we should clean up. And then we have L21. Seems all right. Oops. Almost made a bridge with the capacitor there. Cool, yeah, thanks for those tips. MG Chemical is... I used MG Chemical solder paste earlier in this series. Um, works well when it's fresh. Here's L11. I should definitely invest in some better flux. I've been using this random stuff I got off eBay last year. Yeah, it's weird. I did store my solder paste in my fridge, but it went stale very quickly anyways. I don't know what happened there. Alright, moving on. L14 right there, L13. Actually, I have 4 more of these beads sitting here on the side. I'm gonna move them a little bit away so I can um, get to my pads. See here. Oh, sorry. L14 right here. I think I want to move it a little bit to... Oh. Yeah, here is where I probably need a little bit of flux. Okay, L13 and an L12. Next up. L12. We're almost there. I think there are only 2 more beads. think there's some. It's not good. Need to clean that pad. Oops. Oh, sorry. Hmm. All right. Just need to find the final spot. There it is, L15. A lot of work to do. I don't know. There's not a lot of work to do. I don't think it's gonna be too bad. Just the ports, headers. Oops. All right. So I think I'm just gonna do a quick wipe with some alcohol just to get rid of my flux. Other side of L12. I didn't do that. Well, now I think it's on there. All right. No more ferrite beads floating around. I think we are ready for a second go at turning this computer on. This will be interesting to see. So let's move this one aside. Let's angle the camera over in this direction. Put the tools away down here. Let's see what happens. Put my keyboard away as well. Okay, it's attached. Let's angle it a bit. I need to bring the speaker back. Yeah, I don't know, man. Well, let's see. It'll be interesting. Speaker it on. Let's turn it on. So still no chime. Yeah, I don't know what to say. It's still black on the screen there. So either one of the ferrite beads is not attached correctly, or there is another fault that's holding us back. But let me just make sure yeah, no smoke. That's always good. Let me touch the chips here. So the CPU, yeah, the PAL chips, so they're still just mildly warm. Still just mildly warm. Still nothing on the screen now. Let's power cycle it. Oh, I forgot to put the ROM and the RAM back in. So obviously it won't boot without ROM and RAM. So let's do that first. Um, doesn't matter. Still nothing. Should still have something, right? Yeah. It's still a very, very black screen over there. I think the CPU is getting a bit warmer after that, after having with the ROM in there. So I suppose, well, it's not a very strong piece of evidence, but it would suggest that it's at least trying. Oh yeah, contrast. I did mess with the contrast, and I also I put an SE board in here just earlier, um, and it boots up with that one. Oh yeah, the CPU is pretty warm now, so it's doing more than before, for sure. Um, but yeah, just as a sanity test, let's get the SE board in here just to show you that it does work. It's over here. It's the SE board. That sounds more like a working computer. And yeah, we're getting a screen over here. But yeah, it's good to validate every now and then that the rest of the machine works. So yeah, I think thanks again, Thomas, for the tip about the ferrite beads. Um, I think that certainly helped having all the components on there. I think after the stream I'll go around and double check all the joints, make sure I got them on there right. And then just keep working on the troubleshooting. There's, there are only so many things that can be wrong that actually makes the machine not post at all. So there's something deeply wrong with the clock signal, as I understand it. Let's try it just one more time. Nope, nothing. All right. Can you get a close up on the chip soldering? Do you mean the surface mount? Um, what is it? PLCC chips? Is there a particular chip you want to see? So I can only kind of give you, or maybe, actually, maybe I can do it like this. This is the glue chip, for instance. This is definitely, these are definitely the joints I've been. You need more light, okay. These are the ones that I've been the most careful with checking and double checking and triple checking and testing continuity and reflowing joints, testing for bridges. But I can certainly go around and test them all even more. So I think this is the PAL chip that is associated with the clock. Yeah, sorry, this microscope is really cheap. It's hard to get a good picture. The FPU is the one I'm least happy with. I may actually try to reflow this. It's slightly out of alignment. Video won't stop booting. You can see the FPU is slightly off there. But I tested all the joints. I think they are all right. And these are this is SCSI chip 8530 sound chip, I believe. And your hot air would nuke that board. What do you mean by nuke it? Other components will fall off. Okay, there's some solder residue I need to clean up. That's the ASC chip. I don't know if this 65C22 is critical. Oh, bubbly. Oh, look at that. I probably need to clean that up. That could be. That's not. I think that's solder paste residue. Yeah, I've used. There's something. There's something up with this. I think it stops. This headset stops working suddenly. Sometimes. Can you hear me now? It's quiet. Yeah, there's something weird with this headset. It kind of stops working by itself. Yeah, it's weird. I'm pretty sure I have tested the bridge tested for bridges on all these chips. So I don't think there should be bridges, but I could have missed something. Now it's working. Okay, thanks. Okay, okay, that's a bridge that I just made. Um, okay, let me have a quick look at the loop. These look good. That looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Oops. Keep bumping into it, sorry. So I think I need to do a little bit more on this side. Here. Doesn't look perfect, but don't see any bridges. Alright, one last try, and then I'll wrap up this stream. Thanks for the advice and keen eyes, everyone. So we don't have a chime. Hi, Fred121. Yes, unfortunately, I don't think the the computer is working any better after that. So we still have a little bit of a basket case going on, but we are cleaning up some mistakes. We are fixing, adding some components that are missing. So I feel happy about the progress, and I'll keep working on this. So thanks you all for chiming in, helping out, watching. Have a great rest of your day, afternoon, night.